Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG, your paper engineering channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple paper star. I say it's for pro, but if you're a newbie, you want to try it out, let's do it. It won't take you much time. So first of all, you need a piece of your selected size paper, and tab is optional. You can also try A4 paper. First of all, let's flatten the paper and fold it in half. When you fold the paper in half, make sure that all the edges are lined up, and then you can press the paper down to create a center crease. Open the paper. I will start from this side first, fold it toward the other side to create a new crease. Guess what? I'm going to do the same steps for all the sides of the paper. This is very easy thing to do. You just need to be patient, alright? So I'm doing for the second size of the paper now. I'm going to do the third and the fourth size. So very straightforward. Repeat the same for here as now. Alright, so crease out the paper, open the paper, and then repeat the same fold. What size we are missing now, I'll turn the paper like this, and you see that's whichever size missing, just fold the paper and then crease it out. Now we have all the sides folded, right? Open the paper and start from this edge of the paper, fold it toward the invisible line. You see the invisible line here? This is the intersection of this edge straight to another intersection. And then just fold the edge of the paper and toward that line. Okay, and now I just crease the paper down and repeat the same fold for the opposite side. I'll start from the edge, fold it toward the invisible line. Or I just fold it to the intersection of the diagonal crease and the edge from one side to the other side, and now I have a perfect square. This is what we are looking for. Next, I'll fold the paper in half to make sure that the center crease is visible, and this will help me for the next fold. Now I will start from the edge of fold toward the center crease, and I'll repeat the same fold for the opposite side. I adjust the paper and then press it out. Perfect. Now we have two flaps. I'll open this flap first. I adjust the paper, start from this edge, forward to the center crease, first slowly, and then you make it. And then I'll repeat the same fold for the opposite side, right? Open the paper, start from the inner of the paper first, adjust it, press the paper down, open it, right? And then press down the paper. Start from this size of the paper, you see the upper edge, I just press it down slowly. And then I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Open this flap of the paper, push it a little bit. I realize this is a little bit hard, so I turn the paper, and then I can press the paper down to the table. I will hold the paper with one hand, the other hand we adjust and press it down. Here's a tip. If you do it slowly and then you press the paper from the inside out, this will be much easier. And now press the paper down. It's look perfect. Now it's look like a bowl to me. Okay, so we're not going to make the bowl, guys. We're going to make the ninja star. So start from this side of the paper, open it. I repeat the same fold for the other side. Now I have a pinwheel. Guess what? We are not going to make the pinwheel, right? So we want to make a ninja star. We want to make it fly. So we need to enhance the size of the pinwheel. Alright, actually ninja star. Just kidding. Alright, so open the paper and I'll curve it. I'll fold it outside in, right? Start from the outside, I first in, and I'll adjust this one by one. Here, I will first to the edge. I'll curve the paper a little bit. Slowly, and then I press the paper down. Now I finish this side. Now you are doing the hardest steps to make the ninja star. But this is not that hard at all. Once I finish this side, I'm going to repeat the same fold for the other side. Open the paper, adjust it, curve it, push it a little bit further more, and then you can press the paper down. That is very simple, don't you think so? And now I finished two sides of the ninja star. Let's do one more. Adjust it again and press it down. If it doesn't look nice, that's okay. Open it just one more time. It doesn't hurt at all to try it multiple times. So now I finished all the sides. I'll do one more. Actually, I have not finished all. I finished 2 sides. Now do one more. Curve the paper, and I'm going to press the paper down. Okay. Looks very good at this point. Okay, if I miss anything else, I finished all the sides now, right? It's still popping up. I flip the paper over and I need to enhance it, right? I want to make it hard, strong, so it's come back to me. I'll start from the edge here. I fold toward the other side. You see how I fold here? The reason why I fold it way because it's make the ninja star look nice and it enhance the size of the paper as well. I'll fold straight into the edge. Okay, now I'm going to repeat the sound fold for the other side. For this one, when I fold this side, I repeat the sound fold for the other side. So I adjust the paper, rest and fold it out. Now you can see it's look nicer and nicer. Rest the paper down and repeat the sound fold for the other side. Rest. Here we go. Very close now, and the last one. Fold the paper, adjust it, press the step. I can open this side of the paper first so that I can have one side over the other one, so it's like a pattern, right? Otherwise this won't look nice. So this is how we do it. Turn the paper over, you see that it's look awesome. And now to make sure that the shuriken or the paper ninja star come back to you, I'll cheat a little bit, guys. I use a paper tape and I will tape it over. Again, this is optional, but if you want to have a very cool paper ninja star and it's work properly, you need to do this step. Again, this is not a simple origami, this is a paper ninja star. Okay, so I tape it over, and the reason why I use paper tape because it's easy. You can just rip it, tap it, and if you don't like it, you can just take it off. So paper tape is very cool to use for like cheating. Don't tell anyone. Alright, so now I have a perfect ninja stars. I will show you guys how to hold it, to throw it. Do you see that I hold the paper up and then hold it right here like this. Tilt it a little bit at 30 to 40 degrees. Release it, make like a kick throws, and then the ninja star will come back to you. And finally, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.